Good morning, everybody. I am Prateek Praveen Kumar of 7th G. Now, I deliver a speech on humility, which is the greatest virtue mankind has ever known. Humility in Latin is humilis, means low. Humility is being low outside while high inside. It is self-effacing and a denial of self-importance. Humility is the antithesis of arrogance and false pride. It is the law of the nature that people who are strong and virtuous inside always remain low outside. We have examples of Jesus Christ, Gautama Buddha, and Mahatma Gandhi and Basaveshwara nearer in our own state. They are called as great souls because of their humility. Humility is the antithesis of arrogance and false pride. Arrogance and false pride are the worst evils known to mankind and sure ways of destruction. Rama in the Ramayana saw his end because of his arrogance. Duryodhana in the Mahabharata carved out his destruction due to his false pride. Nearer in time, unlimited arrogance destroyed both Hitler and Saddam Hussein. Humility is a rare and the greatest virtue known to mankind. People with this great virtue in abundance stand out and shine like the sun. They are called as great souls. They are liked by all. Everybody hates arrogance and arrogant people. Mythology and history are full of stories that show how the forces of humility triumphed over the forces of arrogance. Only a pure soul can have humility, and humility brings about all other virtues, including simplicity, honesty, patience, and above all, self-confidence. Humility sprouts from the heart. It is never practiced for effect or benefit. Therefore, everybody trusts people who are filled with humility. Humility saves the world from all evils, including deception, greed, hatred, and discontentment. It spreads simplicity, harmony, and peace in humankind. Jesus Christ spread the doctrine of showing the right cheek as well when somebody slaps you on your left cheek. He also said that if anybody sues you for a shirt, let him have your coat as well. He died on the cross for the sins of the humanity at large. Ramayana is the story of the clash between the forces of humility represented by Rama and the forces of arrogance represented by Ravana, and the ultimate triumph of humility over arrogance. Mahabharata is the story of the clash between the forces of humility represented by the Pandavas and the forces of arrogance represented by the Kauravas, and the ultimate triumph of humility over arrogance. Mahatma Gandhi vowed not to wear a shirt or travel first class in train until everybody in India could afford it. He discarded all the luxuries of life and willingly lived the poorest of the poor life. This is humility. Basaveshwara, the Prime Minister of the King of Bijjara of Kalyana, called himself a servant of the noble people. This is humility. Humility is not easy to come. It needs cleansing of the soul from the evils of arrogance and false pride. And the Satan of arrogance and false pride has strong hold on our life and cannot be shed easily. Only great souls with extraordinary strength inside can reach the higher levels. They are called as great souls. We can only try towards that end. If we succeed to any degree, we can be called as great. Humility is the true path towards peace, harmony, and advancement to the divine end. Humility is civility. Humility is utility. Humility is humanity. Humility is divinity. I end the speech with a few lines from my poem, Humility. The best are those who live in humility. That brings to life greatness, easy, felicity. Those who have this aplenty are blessed and always stand out as the very best. Thank you.